We gonna start this thing alright. Duval in the money logging out. Come on, come on. Do it, baby. Take it.
What's going on, my good people? YouTube, look at this crowded parking lot. Does anybody work around here nowadays? It's 11:30 in the morning. You got Lady Foot Locker. Check it out, my own feet. Toro 18 things. You gotta go in here, check out Champs. Ain't been in here in a minute. Check around and see what they got. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy E Double back to you with another review. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Don't forget to check out all our Bring the Pain podcast, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of them is on hit. Don't forget to check out my fans, your boy Alias, Pain 82, and Monolithic Kicks. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mall vlog of me going in to pick up these shoes. As you can see, I picked up these fresh, brand new Kyrie 5s, aka Mr. World is Flat, aka I don't give a crap about Thanksgiving, aka I can beat Kobe coming out of college. But we know that ain't true, so it's all good. It's always good to dream. Without further ado, let's jump into this review. As you can see, different box with the all-seeing eye. Some people may agree or disagree with that. I don't care about that. It's on the dollar bill, so hey, it is what it is. I like the shoe. I ain't worried about that. Kyrie 5 official colorway, multicolor white. This is the Black Magic. Suggested retail price 130 of them things. I had to go up a full size. I could have went up actually to 11 and a half. You see what I mean about that. Grabbed it from Champs. Got my little stamp there. Just to let you know, my receipt. 104, 108 with tax. See that? 100. They added a little extra $10 on these things because they got a little extra technology in this shoe. You know, Kyrie, he come with all those different details, so I'm gonna have to do both shoes on here so you guys can get a real good look. So let me take a step back. I always get that deuces. Check it out. Let me know what you think. This was a Black Friday drop. Not on underneath. Check it out. Established. 1992. All that, got his birth date, all of that stuff. And the shoe, multicolor. Okay, coming around on the front, you see he got rumble. Then you got hungry. You kind of got like this mesh here with this plastic look. Then you got this Venus flytrap looking thing here that's supposed to help with the lockdown unit. And then you got your fly wire. That'll be very interesting to try to change the laces. You let me know what you think. Should I keep it the same or actually take one for the team and try to change these laces? You got this signature there. You got Kyrie here, Kyrie there. On the side of this shoe, you got Zoom Turbo, and you can definitely feel it in the forefront of this shoe. First one with the Zoom Air in the fourth, and you can tell it's a really comfortable shoe. I think this is the best shoe yet for Kyrie. You also got the all-seeing eye on back of these shoes. Coming around on the medial side, you got Zoom as well. Let me see what else you got, because you got to look real close on these Kyrie. They be having different stuff. You got Azuri, right? 11/23/15. That's his daughter's date of birth. You got engineer to the exact same specification of Kyrie Irving. So the biggest thing and the reason I went up so far, because it's right here. If you run it tight, I guess for ball, and you can do that. But if you're just trying to rock this shoe, you're gonna want to get it as loose as possible. That's why I went up to that. So to each its own. On this side, it has his mother, Elizabeth 8/13/67. So that's the, I think that's the date for his mother, auntie. I forget. I kind of get them mixed up. But let me see what other material. Then you got 5 right here, Roman numeral 5 for this is the 5th edition of this shoe. Then inside you got Kyrie Irving as well. So I mean, you get new technology on this shoe. That's why you got the extra $10. You got this fly trap thing. Got all this lockdown protection for balling. So you guys let me know if you do ball. Would you prefer it snug or a little bit loose? Now on the lit meter, I'm pretty impressed with this shoe. I'm gonna rate it pretty high. I'm gonna give it a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. I mean, it's still a dope shoe, better technology, and the price point is still pretty good. As you can see, they got the check here on these shoes, right? It only got one peak versus the other one had the almond joy peaks or whatever you want to call it on the shoe. So like I said, let me know what you think. Leave a comment suggestion below. Would you cop? Would you rock? Would you ball in this shoe? Don't forget to hit that notification bell. We're going to try to get about 25 likes on this video, and we need to get up to 1,300 subscribers to go before the next year. Then I start doing those on V. You heard? It's E-Dub, and I'm out. Peace.